Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character 画 step by step. I will first write it in regular script, then follow in one word and one sentence. Let's write 画画 language talk or conversation. For example, 讲话讲话 a speech to talk These people talk fast 这些人讲话很快 These people talk fast. 这些人讲话很快。很快。These people talk fast. 这些人 these people 这些人讲话很快 talk fast. These people talk fast. 这些人讲话很快。My casual handwriting on the character 画。画 language talk conversation 讲话 a speech to talk These people talk fast 这些人讲话很快画 Please comment any words or sentence with the character 画 I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.